Welcome back everyone. Let me start with the first video of this channel, Decrypted by Science. First of all, I will ask you a question. The question is, what is science and what is technology? Do you know about science and technology? Post the video and write your answers in comment section. Okay, we will go to the next slide. First, an example will be taken. You may probably know what this is. This is a hydrometer. Hydrometer is used to measure the density of a liquid. What is science behind this and the technology behind it? Let me talk about this. The science is Archimedes principle. You may know what is the Archimedes principle, but I will explain it briefly. The Archimedes principle explains buoyancy. Buoyancy means the upward force fluid exert on an object placed in it. The Archimedes principle says that floating object displays a volume of liquid whose weight is equal to the weight of the object on it. Uh, I will explain it. Suppose mm, this is a tank, and there there is some liquid in the tank. Suppose water. You uh, you put a large stone into this tank. What will occur? Uh, Sometimes, if the tank has higher height, water level becomes higher, or if or sometimes some amount of water is displaced out. uh, if you measure the weight of the object you put into the liquid and the uh, weight of uh, weight of the liquid displaced at this at this situation, uh, you find the weight of the object and the weight of the volume weight of the displaced water is equal. That is the Archimedes principle. uh, it means that if the liquid is more denser, the object flows higher, and vice versa. If the density is less, the object sinks deeper. Let me go to the next slide. From this finding, scientists were able to mathematically model this phenomena and came up with a mathematical equation. You see that equation in the screen. M equals rho v. M means mass of the object. Rho means density of the liquid. Then V means volume. V means volume of liquid displaced. We will go to the next slide. The technology is that someone was able to uh, make new invention called hydrometer by using the Archimedes principle. Nowadays, many people use this hydrometer in their day-to-day lives and in industrial applications. Uh, that's how a technology is derived from Archimedes principle. Now we will come back to the our main topic. What is science? Science means making new discoveries using the scientific method. You may probably know what is scientific method, but I will briefly explain it. In the scientific method there are mainly five steps. First one is observation, second one is question, third one is hypothesis, fourth one is experiment, and fifth one is conclusion. Observation means you see something occur in the environment, uh, and then you may have a question, why this occur. Then you not end up with that. You illustrate hypotheses for that question. What are the reasons this this scenario is occurred due to these reasons? these are the reasons for this incident. That's the hypothesis. You say you illustrate something, then uh, you should check whether your illustrates are your hypothesis are right or wrong, correct or not. uh, for that we use experiment. For that we do some experiment with our hypothesis and uh, come up with the conclusion uh, with the result of experiments. uh, you can say whether it is correct or not based on the results of experiments. uh, scien- the scientific method is this, and most of times scientists model these findings as mathematical equations. I think you have seen it in the previous slide. Now we will go to the next slide. uh, Now we will talk about technology. Technology means applying scientific principles to make new useful devices such as hydrometers, vehicles, radios, etc. You see many things in at your environment. Why we use technology? Because it is not useful to just discover it. We will go to the next slide. Okay, now we have come to the end of the video. I think you may now have a good idea about the difference between science and technology. What is science? What is technology? Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.